Good evening. Today we are going to cook the fried rice. And today I'm going to teach Henry how to make a proper fried rice. Let's keep going and carry on. First of all, we need to put the oil on the bottom of the pot. So what I have to do now is I will pour the oil. In this case, the rice will not stick on the bottom of the pot. And then you have to wash the rice. You have to wash the rice. So this is two cups of rice with 2 cups of water. So wash the rice now. Yeah.
Like here?
Yeah, wash the rice.
Just like this?
Yeah, just wash. Make sure the rice will be clean.
Need a strainer. Have another.
Get a filter.
We have another bowl.
No, just do it with one.
Good. Okay, yeah, okay. Okay.
Yeah, just pour it. Yeah, and wash again with another one.
Do it like this, it's easier.
You can do it. You can do it like that.
Actually easier just to wipe it.
Wash the bowl, don't waste the rice.
So
Okay.
you can do like this. It's easier.
Yeah, we'll make it. Okay, all good. Okay, so stir the rice.
So much. Like this.
Okay, listen now. Pour the rice into the pot.
Really? First?
Yeah, pour in the pot first, and then later we will pour the water inside and cook the rice.
Okay.
Okay, and now we will have to pour the water inside the pot.
So I will
Turn on the air, the ventilize.
I'll cut it first.
First of all, we have to peel the onion. After that, we will chop the onion.
It's done already. This.
Okay, so we will pour the water and then start to cook the rice. Or turn on the fire.
struggled before. Yeah, okay.
Okay, so right now we'll cover the parts.
For how many minutes in my part? Enough, right?
Chopping the onion.
Half is enough. Do I have to wash? It's too late. It's not small enough.
You need to chop
More like
the onion.
my chopping skills. It's still too big.
Our kitchen hand Henry is chopping the onion right now.
If I black out.
It's time to chop the eggplant.
This knife is too dull.
Then we are going to chop the chicken right now.
Into small pieces.
This is the chicken breast.
It's very small piece.
We're going to wash the vegetables and then we are going to cook them all together. We're going to cook the eggs now. Okay, just
Take out.
put this in a plate.
It's already like it's a huge.
Okay, let's start with the onion and then
The rice is
eggplant
nice. The rice is
and then
nice.
the chicken meat.
Waiting for the rice. Yeah. The rice is not ready.
Yeah, I think it's ready now and you can put the eggplant now. And also the leaf, the vegetable.
Eggplant with fried rice.
Cook until the color is changed. Then you can start to add another material.
Some casualties.
It's time for the chicken. It's time to fry the rice.
Oh, this.
It's
You
beautiful.
want to see?
Yeah, it's beautiful. Put it in.
Like this?
Yeah. Now you need a
And now
spoon.
rice will burn, you know. All the pipes burn. This can boba like lollipop. Stick to the bottom of the pot. It's like Korean bibimbap. Yeah, this will be Peter's rice.
Then we'll mix all the
this will be
food together.
Wait, I didn't put anything. I think so.
Did you put oil?
No.
And let's do everything inside.
Okay.
Chop everything in.
Yeah, just put everything inside.
Oh, you wear the gloves.
Yeah, why? I should be useless.
Okay. So put
I need some, yeah.
soy sauce.
Oh. Sticky now.
Yeah, because you didn't put oil.
Yeah. We put next time.
No, you didn't wait.
Oh my god, it's trying to be.
Okay, stop. That's enough. I put everything inside.
Yeah, the eggs always hot here. This plate is really hot. Somehow.
Okay. Finally, we already made it to the fried rice. And you do like
I think it's hot enough. Let's turn off. Chop the eggs.
you can put some pepper. Okay, this will be the fried rice we finished today.
This is looking lovely.
Let's go for the dinner.